this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your App Store not showing up on your iPhone. It's a very simple method. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. So if you can't find your App Store on your iPhone, you can't find it anywhere, there's two very simple methods to actually find it. So the very first method is if you have so many apps installed, you can't see it. Obviously mine's on my homepage, but if you can't see it yourself, all you want to do is you want to swipe down from the middle of your screen and it's going to bring up your search. And all you want to do from here is search up App Store. Once you have, it's going to show up as the very first app. And then, you can click on it and just open it up from here. But another thing you can do is you can hold down on it and then you can drag it to wherever you need to. But the thing I like to do and what I prefer is go over to the very right and you're going to basically see your app library. From here you're going to see like all the apps downloaded and everything, and from here you just go to the very top and type in App Store, and then you can drag it from here and then you can drag it onto your homepage as a little widget, which is easily accessible, and you can move it to whichever page that you want to. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Also, let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future. It could be iPhone, Android, Windows, Mac, anything you guys want. Let us know in the comments.